This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. This luxurious open floor plan single-family 4-bedroom 2.5 bath condo features high ceilings, large bedrooms, with fresh paint and new carpet throughout home. The kitchen boasts an island with ample storage, eat-in bar area and new dishwasher. The master bedroom has a spacious ensuite containing a separate shower and a huge jetted bathtub, perfect for soaking after a long day. Located on large corner lot with oversized storage shed. Move-in ready with contemporary feel. Pre-wired for security. New HVAC in 2018. Fees include trash, water and ground maintenance. Centrally located in Chesapeake, easy interstate access. For more information, review the details.